So today I'm about to show you how to make an AI on a large medical report using N8n. First, open your N8n canvas and drag in a Google Drive or HTTP request node to pull your large medical PDF report, because standard LLM nodes will crash or lose context if you dump a massive multi-page document straight into the chat box. You must process the text structured. Next, drag in a default data loader or text splitter node and link them to your file trigger. Set the chunk size parameters to 500 characters with a small overlap token count. This instantly splits your massive medical text into tiny, schemable data snippets. Finally, connect your text splitter to an embeddings OpenAI node and route the output straight into a pinecone quadrant vector stored node. Snap an advanced AI agent node to that vector database to create a fully grounded retrieval augmented generation that allows you to safely query your data. And that's it. That's how to make an AI on a large medical report using N8n. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.